Next stop, Cave and Basin National Historic Site. This site established Banff as the first national park in Canada. Cave and Basin are made up of hot springs that are no longer available to humans due to the endangered snail population that lives here. The cave had a sulfuric smell, but some of the bluest waters we've ever seen. The museum was full of activities, including curling.
Of course.
Oh, you're definitely gonna hit mine. Ah! I win!
Yeah, first try.
I had a lot of
Nice.
fun making ice sculptures.
Still the prep camper.
Okay. It's a spitting image.
You can make a bigger version. There we go.
Yep.
I was pretty impressed with whoever made these snow sculptures. This spring is considered the Basin, and where you can see most of the snails. They're very small, so look close. This hike takes you to the top of the cave opening.
Not. For what?
I'm gonna swan.
Keep going.
A little sticky.
Oh no, our lips got frozen together.
That was a good one.
Cave and Basin was full of interesting facts, fun activities, and beautiful views. We'd definitely recommend a visit.